Hi, I'm Marta. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And I want to tell you about some opportunities coming up in the dolly world that you can all join in on that are really going to be fun. Each month, Dory's Dollies and I host 3 different challenges that we put out that are so easy to join in on, and we hope you will. One is Dolls Gone Goth. That's always on the 16th of the month. You can use any doll you would like to join in with. She would be perfect. This is my new Shiba Juku doll. Oh, they're so cute. She's just got that edgy little touch to her. Look at the stand that Darren made. I gotta show it off. Let me step her out. He made it like the Blythe stand where he gave me 3 different choices of sizes of hooks. Isn't that cool? I love it. So I just show that off to you this morning. The theme for Dolls Gone Goth this month on the 16th at 10 a.m. Central uploading time, although you can upload anytime you want, will be black, white, and or red. And you can interpret that any way you would like to. For Hi Barbie on the 18th of this month, we're asking to see your holiday Barbies. Now, that can be one in a box or a whole display of them on the shelf. Just show us your holiday Barbies. Or, and this is one we really encourage, and you could work this in with the other, make a holiday or buy a holiday dress for your Barbie and do your own interpretation of holiday Barbie. Any Barbie, any size at all. We do not care. Then for January 2025, Amaya, Raine, and I have my little sweetie out here, Violet, out here in her little Christmas outfit, to remind me to tell you any rainbow high doll at all. Any. We don't care how big, how small. You know, they have those new ones. Excuse me. They are so cute. I haven't bought any yet, but they're adorable. Amaya Rain Day is for any of the Rainbow High or Shadow High dolls. And we do that on the 3rd of each month. And so I am announcing right now the theme for January 2025. The theme will be warm clothes. We're going to do warm clothes for each of the collabs next month. And for Amaya Rain, we're going to have something different. Amaya Rain usually is wearing fancy dresses or cute skirts. This month we're going to do pants, warm pants. Not this month, January. Thank you for watching, Dory. It's always a pleasure and so much fun. I can't wait to see your interpretations of our themes coming up this month and next. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please go by and see Dory's video today. She's always over the top with showing the different ideas you could do for your themes. And please, here and at Dory's and to every channel you go to, give them a Christmas present. Leave a like, leave a comment, even if it's just an emo of a tree or a heart or whatever. Leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to mine and everyone else's channel. Thank you for watching.